All right.
And so, Akili, what have you been working on in your creative and entrepreneurial life?
All right. So, unlike you, I wasn't necessarily groomed to be an artist,
Mm.
but in spite of everything, I've kept my creative spirit alive and my creative endeavors. But I'm also a left brain. I'm primarily left brain, so that just means that my undergrad was in business, and my I had got a master's degree in information technology. But as we all know, over the last couple of years, since AI has taken off and it's been emerging,
Mm-hmm.
uh, the the work has shifted. So I've been reinventing myself over the last, I would say, year.
Mm.
Um, First of all, I'm a published author, and I'm still doing that work, that creative work, but I'm diving into artificial intelligence a little bit deep, deeper than just the surface. So I have a couple of applications. One is an AI readiness assessment that I built uh, using a process called vibe coding because I'm not really a coder, but that got me into a program with NVIDIA called the NVIDIA Inception program. So that's for startups.
Wow.
And uh, now I'm like, let me dive a little deeper into it. So, in addition to taking self-paced learning classes through NVIDIA Inception, prompt engineering, I'm also taking a Python class. So I never really liked programming, but as I was telling you earlier, Python is probably the easiest programming language to learn, and I do have a background in programming,
Mm-hmm.
meaning I've taken Fortran, Pascal way back in the day, then Java, object oriented, a little C++, but that's a little bit more complicated. But basically, I'm starting to enjoy this Python programming. So I'm just gonna see where this AI journey takes me. And really, my goal is to couple everything with, left brain, right brain, creativity, technology, and present it all in one big package.
And what kind of advice would you give about time management?
Time management, compartmentalize. So always have a plan, stick with your plan. Don't think about anything else when you're doing your plan, and then let it flow.